When it comes to increasing the value of your home in Palmetto Bay, not all upgrades deliver the same return. Homeowners today are looking for improvements that offer both immediate benefits and long-term value. One upgrade that stands out in coastal areas is installing impact doors. These doors do more than enhance appearance, they provide protection, efficiency, and peace of mind, all of which contribute to a higher home value. One of the biggest reasons impact doors boost home value is their storm protection. Living in Palmetto Bay means being prepared for severe weather, especially during hurricane season. Impact doors are specifically designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris, helping protect your home's structure. Buyers recognize the importance of this feature and are often willing to pay more for a home that already includes built-in storm protection. It eliminates the need for future upgrades and adds a sense of security from the start. Security is another major factor that adds value. Impact doors are built with reinforced materials and advanced locking systems, making them far more resistant to forced entry than standard doors. For homeowners and potential buyers alike, safety is a top priority. A secure entry point increases confidence in the home and makes it more appealing in a competitive market. Energy efficiency also plays a key role in boosting home value. Impact doors are designed with insulated cores and tight seals that help prevent air leaks. In Palmetto Bay's warm and humid climate, this means keeping cool air inside and hot air outside. As a result, your HVAC system operates more efficiently, which can lead to lower energy bills. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to buyers, making your home stand out while offering ongoing cost savings. Curb appeal is another important benefit. Your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home. Upgrading to a modern impact door can instantly enhance your home's exterior. With a wide range of styles, finishes, and designs available, you can choose a door that complements your home's architecture and creates a strong first impression. A visually appealing exterior not only attracts buyers but also increases perceived value. Durability is a long-term advantage that shouldn't be overlooked. Impact doors are built to withstand harsh environmental conditions, including heat, humidity, and salt air. Unlike traditional doors that may warp, crack, or fade over time, impact doors maintain their performance and appearance for years. This durability reduces maintenance needs and future repair costs, which adds to the overall value of your home. Noise reduction is another added benefit that enhances comfort and appeal. Impact doors are designed to create a tight seal, which helps block outside noise. In busy or coastal areas, this can make a noticeable difference in creating a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment. Buyers often appreciate features that improve daily living, and a quieter home is a strong selling point. Another financial advantage is the potential for insurance savings. Homes equipped with impact-resistant features may qualify for reduced insurance premiums because they are less likely to sustain storm damage. While this benefit varies, it's an added incentive that increases the overall value of the upgrade. Impact doors also contribute to a sense of modern living. Today's buyers are looking for homes that combine functionality with updated features. Installing impact doors shows that your home has been thoughtfully upgraded to meet current standards. This can make your property more competitive and appealing in the real estate market. Of course, proper installation is essential to achieving all of these benefits. A poorly installed door can compromise both performance and value. Professional installation ensures a secure fit, proper sealing, and optimal functionality. This guarantees that your investment delivers the results you expect. In the end, boosting home value in Palmetto Bay with impact door upgrades is about more than just improving appearance. It's about enhancing protection, increasing efficiency, and creating a more comfortable living environment. These combined benefits make impact doors a smart investment that pays off both now and in the future.